What is GSTR 2B? HD Chabda ji, namaskar sir, namaskar. How are you, sir? So people from all over the country have joined us today. Delhi, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, I can see Gujarat, Maharashtra. What is GSTR 2B? Sir, GSTR 2A inward supplies होता है, 2B क्या होता है फिर? What is GSTR 2B then? Arvind ji, inward supply which is eligible by portal to take credit. Eligible by portal. Bhaskar ji is saying one more statement, sir. I don't know what it is, but it is one more statement. Great. Dipankar ji, claimable ITC. Okay. Eligible ITC. Sairam ji, please read down. Eligible. No. Not eligible. Static statement. Nothing but single statement of ITC. Details of inward supplies by so many answers coming up. Confirmation statement of inward supplies. Sir, Akash ji is saying Sardar. Sorry, sir. Please. No such words, please. Credit is not changed. Sanjeev Mishra ji is also there with us. Amar ji, okay, it is creature. Bharat Modi ji. Divya ji is saying ITC available for use. Okay, now let's stop. Please stop. What is the... See, whatever I'll be talking, it would be in reference to a document, and do note that document, because in the reply of any notice, you have to mention what notification, what section, right? GSTR 2B notification number 82. Notification number 82 dated 10th November 2020. Their notification, not ours. Again, after Form 2A, the Form 2B shall be inserted. Form 2B is a statement which has been generated on the basis of the information furnished by suppliers. GSTR 15678 kahan gaya? It is integrated with IceGate. It is integrated with IceGate 2B. It is a static statement and will be available once a month. So what is the basic difference between 2A and 2B? That was dynamic, it is static. The document filed by the supplier in any form GSTR 156 would reflect in the next open. Sir, कुछ नया नहीं बता रहे हो आप. You are not telling anything new. It is everything that we know, right? Tell us something new. आ गया. Taxpayers are advised to refer form GSTR 2B. Taxpayers are advised to refer form GSTR 2B. Taxpayers are advised to refer form GSTR 2B. Sir, is it your voice hang? Your voice is coming repeated? No, it's not hang. I am repeating the line. Taxpayers are advised to refer form GSTR 2B for availing credit in form GSTR 3B. Only advised. Advised. Reply में लिखना है sir. However, in case for additional details, they may, shall नहीं है. There is no shall. They may refer to their respective form GSTR 2A, which is updated on near real-time basis for more details. Sir, आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हो? What are you trying to say? I am trying to say the notification itself says taxpayers are advised. They may refer. They are shall नहीं है. It is not shall, right? SS Vadivel ji, why GSTR 2A? Why GSTR 2B, sir? Right now, if you ask me, with which statement I need to make the reconciliation, sir, I have not even reached the stage of reconciliation. I am still in claim. I am showing you what is GSTR 2A, what is GSTR 2B. Conclusion, I'll tell you. You will tell me the conclusion. I assure you. Next, input tax credit shall be indicated to be non-available. Now, somebody said it will show me eligible credit, eligible ITC. It will show me in GSTR 2B. No, sir. GSTR 2B caters only to the following scenarios. Only to the following scenarios. Invoice or debit note or both where the recipient is not entitled to input tax credit as per the provision of 16 subsection 4. Invoice or debit note where the GSTN, supplier GSTNs and place of supplier in same state. Only two things it caters. Does it consider section 17 subsection 5 blocked credit? No. No. So does that mean that 2B shows me eligible ITC? No. Even after 2B, you have to refer the provisions of the law, right? You cannot ignore the provisions of the law. Please read down. However, there may be other scenarios. GSTR 2B is not the ultimate document. I repeat. However, there may be other scenarios for which input tax credit may not be available to the taxpayer, and the same has not been generated by the system. उन्होंने पहले ही बोल दिया, sir. They have already clarified this. That in the reply, don't write I have taken as per GSTR 2B. No, they have clearly mentioned taxpayer should self-assess and reverse such credit in GSTR 3B. Notification number 82. So whosoever says कि सर हमने तो GSTR 2B से credit लिया है, it should be okay. No, you have to check the provisions of law as well, right? Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.